Do you know that you can get a free car from ILIMOTOR if you only invest the money that you want to spend for purchasing your own car? Simply saying, if you invest the same money that you want to spend for purchasing the car from any brand, if you invest it simply at ILIMOTOR, you're going to receive stocks of ILIMOTOR, plus you're going to receive a free car. Why is it free? Because the money that you want to spend for purchasing your own car is going to be considered as an investment at ILIMOTOR, and ILIMOTOR is going to give you the car for free. And you can choose also from ILIMOTOR made cars. We have electric cars and we have also other type of vehicles that you may love. We are a startup company. We are building and developing ILIMOTOR. And now here, you don't need to go pay and lose money on your car. You only need to invest at ILIMOTOR, and ILIMOTOR is going to deliver to you the car that you want. And the car for you is free. You can resell the car, you have the money, and also you have your own money as an investment at ILIMOTOR. This is ILIMOTOR, this is our revolution, customer ownership revolution at UKI, our holding enterprise, and ILIMOTOR as a subsidiary of UKI. We are pioneering the world's first customer ownership business model at car industry. So if you really love to have your own car for free and also build wealth with your car purchase, ILIMOTOR is the world's first and best automotive investment company. Don't forget ILIMOTOR. For more data, you can check ilimotor.com. You can check other videos that we have. You can contact ILIMOTOR. You can contact UKI. You can contact me as a founder of the ILIMOTOR for more data. I know you love this business model. If you love, let me know in the comments from which city or country you're watching this video. Do you love this business model? Do you love ILIMOTOR to be an active company also in your country? If yes, let me know. You know, we are here to develop this business model worldwide and to deliver to you the free cars as well. So here, if you love, put one love under this video. Check us, check other videos that we have. Maybe the videos will pop up here or here. Till the next one.